Ever feel like your mind is racing, like you're caught up in a whirlwind of thoughts? What if I told you that you could find peace in just 30 seconds? Right here, right now. No fancy apps, no tricks, just nature. Nature has this incredible ability to calm us down, to ground us. But here's the twist. It's not about shutting your mind off. It's about tuning into what's already around you. Feel the texture of the tree bark under your fingertips. And now look at the way the light filters through the trees. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel that shift? That's your mind syncing up. Try this for just 30 seconds the next time you're outside. Let the forest reset your mind. Trust me, your brain will thank you.